We divide 644 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 2. So, this 2 is less than 4. So, we put down this 2 and it is 22. 4 times 5 is 20. On subtracting, we get 2. So again this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 4 and it is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. On subtracting, we get 0. So 644 divided by 4 is 156. So this much for today and thanks for watching.